Hey guys, Montiel's Customs here. We just got in Steve's 67 Camaro. We're about to start taking it apart, so just keep tuned into our second episode. And we also just got our Valor in here. I'm gonna do a little quick paint job on it. Most of you guys don't even know what it is, but let me give you guys an idea. This is a 1978 Plymouth Valor. Most of you guys don't know much about it, but this one didn't come equipped with the V8. It actually has a slant 6-cylinder in it, and it belongs to a retired pilot from the Air Force / mechanic. So he just wants us to kind of clean it up, put a quick little paint job on it, maybe red stripe, and call it a day. For all you guys that like imports too, we got a tuner right here. Honda Civic. There's a little bit of a fender bender, but we're gonna put it together for the customer. We're gonna do an SI blue. All right guys, let me show you guys. We're working on this today. This is 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 6-pack. All numbers matching. We're just getting it polished up. Polished up. All right guys, come right this way. Let me just show you guys a little top secret project that we just got in. Okay guys, so let me show you guys what we just picked up also. We got this Mustang here that we just picked up. I know it looks like shit, but oh shit, we got Roger here too. Roger is actually one of our liquid wrappers, so if you guys need any kind of stuff like that, we also do that. But let me show you guys what's under the hood. Roger, can you just pop that hood real quick? So what we got is a 302 turbocharged. And it's probably pushing about 400 horsepower, so we're gonna put it on dyno and see how it does, and then we'll get back to you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe and like. We got a lot of stuff going on right now. Today we're delivering that car, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the other projects that we're working on, and then we'll show you guys an update on the Mustang, see how she does.